I'm going to talk with you just about a couple of different applications here that are in the BT Speak. And one of the things that I really love is just how quick it is to load and launch things. So I'm sitting here, I'm going to do a T chord, and it already has announced to me the file title that we're in. We're just in the welcome screen, which is in the editor. I expected that T chord was going to tell me the title again. So if I just want to quickly jump into the calculator, if I hit options with an O chord and C, it's going to jump me into the calculator. Watch how quick this is.
Expression.
There we are. So I must have done it a little bit too quick the first time, but here we are in calculator, super quick. You heard after that last key press that I was right where I wanted to be. So, we can use our normal, like, 1 plus 1, and, dot 8.
Result 2.
There we go. We have our obvious 1 plus 1 equals 2. And we can just exit this with a Z chord, or we can use a Z chord plus dot 7 to get right back to the editor.
Welcome screen is open.
And we have in the editor the welcome screen. So that was super quick. I love the stopwatch. If we get into the options menu here with O chord, I'm just going to go down and find stopwatch.
Options menu. Applicate time. Date. Battery. File browser. Manage files. Wi-Fi. Pair a Bluetooth device. Calculator scientific. Gregorian date calculator. Stopwatch dash shortcut is number sign.
Okay, so we found out that the number sign is a shortcut, but I'm going to hit enter here real quick.
Stopwatch ready.
And we're right there. So we can just start as we're used to on the Braille and Speak with dot 6.
Running.
I felt a vibration. We're running. We can go ahead and stop it with dot 6.
Stopped.
And we can hit space bar.
5.5 seconds elapsed.
And that's as easy it is. Dot 3, go ahead and close out or clear out the stopwatch information here.
Stopped. Reset.
And we're reset. So that is really, really cool. I'm going to do a Z chord plus 7 to go ahead and get back to the editor here.
Welcome screen is open.
All right, that is pretty sweet. The calculator, the stopwatch, just as we remember it, and super quick as well. Now I'm going to go ahead and launch from the applications menu the Bible. And we're going to take a real quick look at kind of how that works. So I'm going to go O chord for options.
Options menu. Applications.
Going down with dot 4 chord, we're going to go into applications with dot 8.
Applications menu.
And we're going to drive down until we find the Bible.
BT alert dash shortcut is L. Voice command. Dictionary. Weather. Search the web. Browse the web links. Chat GPT. BT radio dash shortcut is R. Morse code. The Bible.
And we're just going to hit enter here and find out how basically it's just as quick as a stopwatch to launch this Bible menu.
Bible menu.
And then we're going to down with F4 chord.
Read the Bible.
Read the Bible is the first option we also have.
Search the Bible.
So we could type in a search query or search word. I'm going to go back up with dot 1 chord to.
Read the Bible.
We're going to hit enter.
Genesis.
And we're right in a book selection where we can just quickly go down.
Exodus. Leviticus. Numbers. Deuteronomy. Joshua.
We're in the Old Testament, of course. If I go ahead and hit enter here or dot 8,
The book of Joshua.
we're right in the book of Joshua right now. Now, one of the bugs that I have found is that we can't use ER chord 1, 2, 4, 5, 6 to read continuously. We can, however, go down a line with dot 4 chord.
Chapter 1. 1. Now after the death of Moses, the servant of the Lord, it came to pass that the Lord spake unto Joshua the son of Nun, Moses' minister, saying,
Okay, but if we do an ER chord,
1. Now after the death of Moses, the
Is it gonna
servant of
work?
the Lord, it came to pass that the Lord spake unto Joshua the son of Nun, Moses' minister, saying, 2. Moses,
it is
my
going to
servant,
work.
is
So
dead. Now there-
I'm going to Z chord,
Joshua.
which takes us, I'm going to go back to Genesis real quick.
Genesis. The first book of Moses.
Don't really
Called
understand why
Genesis.
that works there. I'm going to down with dot 4 chord.
Chapter 1. 1. In the beginning God created the heaven and the earth.
I'm going to do an ER chord.
Genesis.
And see how it takes us back. So it takes us back to the book list
Exodus.
in
Leviticus.
Genesis.
Genesis.
So that's interesting that it works in another book besides Genesis, but it takes us back as we're on Genesis. But really easy to jump in there into the Bible, really easy to jump into the calculator, the stopwatch. Of course, the editor is just as quick. I'll go ahead and do a zcorp.7 to jump back into the editor.
Welcome screen is open.
So I'm going to use another recording to showcase Wi-Fi and kind of how that works to get connected. So I'm going to stop this recording now.